How to set custom nicknames in Messenger chat. In this video, I'll guide you through how you can set custom nicknames in Messenger chat. Let's get started. First things first, open Messenger on your device. Now open the chat. Let me open this one. Now let's say you wanna give this person a custom nickname. Just go to their profile right here. Tap on this name. Then scroll down, you will see nicknames right here. Tap on nicknames and you can see set nickname right here. Tap on set nickname and just enter the nickname. Okay, once you enter the nickname, tap on save and that nickname will be saved for that person. Once you go back, you'll be seeing the nickname you just gave to this person. And that's it. This is how you can set custom nicknames in Messenger chat. Repeat the same process for all the person you want to give nickname to, like this. Repeat the same process and set nickname and give it. Once you give it, tap and save. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.